The Marvelous Journey of Sarah and the Magic Chair, a story of strength, balance, and joy. Sarah loved her cozy little house. She had a bright yellow teapot, a soft blue rug, and a big window where the morning sun danced in. But there was one problem. Sarah's body felt stiff and tired. Her knees ached, her back groaned, and her energy seemed to tiptoe away each day. One afternoon, Sarah visited the community center. She saw a group of happy seniors moving gracefully on chairs. Their arms stretched like tree branches. Their bodies swayed like gentle waves. "What is this?" Sarah asked, her curiosity tingling. "This is chair yoga," a friendly woman named Joy said with a smile. "It helps us move, stretch, and feel strong again." On day one, Sarah sat on a chair and lifted her arms. "Oh dear, my shoulders feel stiff as old oak branches." On day two, she bent forward slowly. "Oof, my back feels tighter than my teapot's lid." On day three, she twisted side to side. "Ah, that feels better." Every day, Sarah practiced. She followed along with the kind voice on the screen. It was Dr. Daulton himself, showing each movement step by step. She learned poses for balance, so she wouldn't wobble, for strength, so her legs felt steady, for flexibility, so she could bend with ease, and even for relaxation, to breathe away her worries. One morning, Sarah woke up and something felt different. She walked to the kitchen without her usual aches. She bent to pick up her teacup without wincing. She even reached up to open a high cabinet without holding her breath. Excited, she rushed to the community center. "Look, everyone," she called out, lifting her arms gracefully into a beautiful overhead stretch. Sarah felt stronger, lighter, and happier than she had in years. She no longer worried about falling or feeling stiff and sore. She had balance, she had strength, she had joy. One by one, her friends asked, "Sarah, how did you do it?" She smiled and said, "It's all thanks to chair yoga and Dr. Daulton." Now, every morning, Sarah welcomes the sun with a stretch. She moves with confidence, knowing she has the power to stay strong, balanced, and full of life. And you can too. All it takes is one chair and one little step. Want to feel stronger, move better, and stay independent? Join Sarah on this marvelous journey with chair yoga for seniors over 60 made simple. Dr. Daulton will guide you step by step, just like he did for Sarah.